Well, yes, another black EP3 Civic in the house, and this one's been mapped previously on a K100. We've got some modifications since last time. Now, it already had the Dynodaze induction kit, but it's had a Jap speed 4-to-1, and the reason for that is because he's a big kid at heart and he wants to see some flames today. So that is exactly what we're going to give him. Let's get stuck in. Another black EP3 Civic in the house. Now this one's actually been here before and been tuned, but he decided he definitely wanted some pops and bangs and flames, and that's exactly what he got today. He got some of the biggest flames I've ever seen. Yeah, to be fair, he did change the manifold. Obviously, had a cat in originally, so obviously went to decat. Made a little bit more power, I think, in the mid-range. Just shy of 230 top end. So. Yeah, about 230 top end. A little bit more in the mid-range. I think the main reason he wanted it was obviously the pops and bangs, so we've obviously added that in. Did really well with that. I think the customer will be overall happy. He seems to be dancing around quite well. He's going out tonight when as soon as it gets dark to light the place up. Yeah. Love it. Should we have a look at the graph? Come on. Okay, so there's the end result. Like I say, not dramatically different to last time. Just up a few brake horsepower. We finished just shy of 230 brake horsepower, which is fantastic. Great car. He's had some new wheels. I really like those. I think they suit it. Anything else to say, Richard, other than like and subscribe and all that jazz? Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, all right. Well, we'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. See you later, Rich. See you later. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.